Okay, this is the video explaining what's wrong with our mini fridge, and you can see that it's plugged into the same outlet as this lamp, and it worked fine. The unit worked fine for about 5 months, and then all of a sudden it just stopped working. At this point, it is plugged into a working outlet, same lamp outlet as the lamp. Go ahead and turn it on and watch closely. You can see that the green power light flashed momentarily, but it didn't stay on. That's what's wrong. An earlier call suggested that maybe the power cord was bad. I did disconnect the power cord and tested it with a voltmeter, and the power cord, of course, is fine.